the best switch lanes. Lambo roll with Maybach range. Yeah, sky high fly like crane. Car high class don't eat low main. Suicide my dough swing. All white seats look like cocaine. Infinite got flames. Ride around with that cocaine. Bet the best switch lanes.
I don't need you. I ain't never needed you. I'm finna be on top with this YouTube shit. You feel me? And no, I'm not gonna eat your ass. Delete my number. What's good, YouTube?
Get him black. Get him black. Get him black.
Damn,
Get him black.
Money.
Fuck him up.
I played.
Get him right. Tighten up. Get right. Get him black. Tighten up. Fuck him up. Get him right. Tighten up. Fuck him up.
Yes, sir. It's your boy, Junior Man. And we back with another motherfucking banger. Look, man. Today I'm back out here on my campus. Look, I know I'm always on my campus. I'm finna switch it up. I'm finna go to other schools. I'm finna keep this shit running, you feel me? But today, as you can see, I got the flip phone, bro. I done got girls' emails. I done got girls' numbers with terrible pickup lines. I'm just trying to see what I can do at this point, how far I can go, you know what I'm saying? Like, but yeah, today I'm getting numbers with a flip phone, bro. So if you like all my videos, hit that like button right now. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new. And join the gang, bruh. Warning, if your girlfriend is in this video, I will not be contacting her after. This is just for the content and she is safe with you. Enjoy. Excuse me, you know where, I just needed a reason to talk to you.
You corny as shit.
Nah, but what's your name?
Sydney.
Sydney? Okay, I'm Junior. It's nice to meet you.
You said Junior?
Yeah, I'm Junior, but you can call me whenever though. Where you going to?
Library.
Library, you finna study? What you finna go in there and bullshit?
I'm chilling out. We'll see when I get there.
For sure. I thought you would I was trying to grab your number.
Really, nigga?
What?
The flip phone.
I ain't really like too tech savvy, so I don't do iPhones and shit. But you ain't never seen a nigga with a flip phone?
Hell no.
Where you from? You got a little accent.
Maryland? I don't have no fucking accent.
I was about to say Maryland. You sound like it. What's your name again? Sydney. All right, I'm finna text you. You have a good one.
Not good. That's not a good look, no. He really got pressed by her, no count.
You have a good one. Keep it over. I shot you the email. You never got my email? So I can't get the email? And then maybe like one day when you not talking to him, I could take you on a date one day.
The email.
Yeah, you could shoot me a little email or something.
Like a... Was that a prank?
Yeah, it was a prank. I was doing a little YouTube.
I was so confused. I was like, email, but I was like, okay.
I was doing a YouTube video, that's all.
Oh,
Yeah. You not busy, are you? Nah, I just thought you were so gorgeous. You like one of the most beautiful women I've seen out here.
Thank you.
Yeah, so what you working on?
I got down to working on a article that I submitted.
Okay, that's what's up. What you studying?
General sexuality studies.
Okay, that's good stuff right there.
Yeah.
Oh, you teach it actually. I'm exercise science.
Okay.
Yeah, no, I was trying to see if I can grab your number right quick. Hey y'all, pay attention to everything in this video. Just make sure y'all paying attention, cause I feel like if I wasn't a young buck, I would have bagged this one. I think she was feeling me, but I might be tripping. So y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think. You married?
To a woman.
To a woman? So you're not into guys?
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Currently.
I got the ring on though. You don't do that. Yeah. I can't like become your friend.
Huh?
Like friends. I think you can. funny too. But that's good that you know. What you know?
Like, not even a oops.
That angel like some fine wine. I ain't gonna lie, you look good though, but it's nice to meet you. What's your name?
Rachel.
Rachel.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Okay. You have a good one. Well, I didn't want to interrupt your workout. Could I grab your number?
Sorry, I have a boyfriend.
You got a boyfriend?
Leave that nigga and get with me.
Is it cause? It's cause I got the flip phone.
No, like actually, I have a boyfriend.
Legit.
Like actually, I can show you pictures.
Okay, what about friends? You can use friends. I know you can use friends. Come on.
Friends? What do you mean? I'm just trying to work out.
I know, but we could like hang out. You know what I'm saying? Study sessions. Study sessions and shit. And then you know, some stuff be happening. So like anytime you need like a friend to talk to.
I guess.
You look good, by the way. What'd you say your name was again?
Jada.
Jada. All right, it's Julia. Nice to meet you. Oh, excuse me. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna be pretty straightforward. I got a crush on you.
Why you lying? Why you lying? Why you lying? Why you lying? Why you lying?
Oh, thank you.
What's your name?
Danielle.
Yeah, you look real good. I'm Junior. It's nice to meet you.
Junior, nice
Yeah.
to meet you.
What you doing? What you studying?
Finance.
Finance? Okay,
Yeah.
you a little finance major?
No, I'm a marketing major, but I have to take finance to graduate.
Okay. How's that going?
It's straight. I'm doing
Straight?
good. Yeah.
Yeah.
You're doing better than most of the class.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
So you're in your 4th year. You about to graduate?
Yeah, I graduate in the spring.
Okay, that's what's up. Yeah, I'm in my 5th year. I'm about to graduate in the spring as well.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, cool.
And I was trying to see if I grab your number, take you out sometime.
Yeah, of course.
Here.
What's your major?
Exercise science. Yeah, you just type it in. I'll just save it for you. Yeah, I'm into like fitness and stuff. What would you say your name was again?
Danielle.
Danielle. Okay.
Yours is Junior.
Yep. Nice
See,
to meet
I
you.
remember.
Yeah.
You don't remember me?
I don't give a fuck, Keisha.
I'm bad with names. But all right, I'm gonna hit you up. Excuse me. What's your name? Yana.
Diala.
Diala. You like the most beautiful girl I've seen out here. I had to stop. Yeah. What you think? Go to class?
No, I'm about to go.
Go to the library. So it's like something wrong with this phone I had got. They don't got your number. So I'll try to get your number.
Get your phone?
Yeah. It's like my work phone. I don't got my regular phone. You ain't never seen one of these?
I mean, not years.
Not years. I grab your number.
Yeah, I guess.
I can't get you. What's your number? Well, I'll type it in.
Nah, that's crazy.
That's crazy. What's your number? What year you in?
I'm a sophomore.
Okay, sure. You fuck with it?
Yeah, sorry.
I'm ready when you're ready.
240.
Shawty got no drip. Shawty got on green, olive green Uggs, white socks.
So I'm assuming you're not gonna text me, so I'm gonna get a call.
You gonna get a call, yeah. What's your name again?
Diala.
How you spell that?
I-A-L.
Excuse me. I just thought you was, did I talk to you already before? Okay, it's my first time. Yeah, I thought you was so beautiful. I couldn't stop without seeing, like, who are you? What's your name? You said who? Isadis? That sounds like something foreign. Where you from? Latina? Okay, that's what's up. What year you in?
I'm a freshman.
A freshman? You like it here so far?
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Okay.
People are
For real? So you like just now coming to Atlanta?
kind of in the military.
Ooh, my mama's military. Yeah, I was on the same thing though. Okay, so you plan on like staying around here though?
Yeah.
Okay. I was. What you studying? Physics. That's hard. But yeah, I was trying to see if I could grab your number or something. Like,
I actually have a girlfriend.
a girlfriend? Damn, I can't like be your friend though.
I'm like,
Huh?
like, who won?
Yeah, perfect. Yeah, we could be friends. Yeah, so you're not into dudes.
Yeah.
A little bit.
How do I get to them?
Oh, you just type your number in. Alright. You said, how do you spell it?
IS.
Nice to meet you. Alright, you have a good one. Excuse me. Thank you. I'm here. I thought you was like one of the most beautiful girls I've seen out here. Yeah, and you just look so comfortable out here, so I had to come beside you and like sit by you. What's your name? Oh, this is my little vape. I'm sorry. Esther. Okay. I'm Junior. It's nice to meet you. I just thought you was like the most beautiful girl I've seen out here. So I was trying to talk to you real quick. That's cool. You in a rush? I like 784. Okay. Alright. It's nice to meet you. Damn, I just did that shit in front of my other girlfriend. I'm the best nigga for you. I'm the biggest stepper. That nigga that you fucking with, he ain't on my level. If I see that nigga that you fucking with, I might just step on him. Bitch got me in my feelings. I don't like the feeling.